Today, we will discuss Momo and Perler. Both of these make it easier to acquire and sell securities, which is a brokerage primary function. These similarities demonstrate that despite their diverse approaches, Perler and Momo are both fundamentally providing online brokerage services to investors. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Momo provides real-time market data, technical analysis, and advanced charting, and is designed for those who want to actively manage their money. Helps traders who want to take advantage of short-term market swings. Access to international markets, such as the United States, is highly priced. Perler, created for people who value accumulating wealth over the long term, focuses on goal tracking and automatic investing. Appeals to investors who would rather set and forget things, a strong emphasis on investing strategy automation. All in all, both Perler and Moomo function as online brokerage platform that lets consumers purchase and sell financial products online. Access to global stock markets is made easier by both platforms, enabling diversified investment portfolios. Users of both platforms can access trade securities that are listed on the ASX.